Imagine gazing up at the sky, not to see one, but two suns blazing brightly. The sheer brilliance of such a sight would be both awe-inspiring and bewildering, a celestial phenomenon that defies our current understanding of the world. This isn't a scene from science fiction, but a thought experiment exploring the dramatic implications of Earth orbiting within a binary star system. The concept of two suns is not just a whimsical idea, it's a profound shift that would alter every aspect of life as we know it. Our very existence is intimately intertwined with the sun's life-giving energy. The sun provides the warmth and light necessary for life to flourish, driving the processes that sustain our ecosystems. What would happen if we had two such stellar powerhouses? The dynamics of our solar system would be fundamentally different, with gravitational forces pulling and tugging in a delicate balance. How would life on Earth adapt and thrive with the celestial dance of two suns? Plants, animals, and humans would all need to evolve new ways to cope with the increased energy and altered day-night cycles. From the dramatic transformation of our skies to the fundamental shifts in our climate and ecosystems, the presence of a second sun would paint a breathtakingly different picture of our world. The skies would be a canvas of ever-changing light, with shadows cast in unexpected ways. Picture the sky ablaze with vibrant hues, a constant interplay of light and shadow, and sunsets that stretch across the horizon in a symphony of colors. Each day would bring a new masterpiece, a visual feast for the eyes. This isn't just a visual spectacle, it's a fundamental shift in the forces that shape life itself. The energy from two suns would drive new weather patterns, influence ocean currents, and even affect the tectonic activity of our planet. The implications of a binary sun system extend far beyond mere aesthetics. The increased solar radiation would have profound effects on our atmosphere, potentially altering the composition of the air we breathe. Imagine a world without night as we know it, where perpetual daylight governs the rhythms of life. The concept of night and day would be redefined, with periods of twilight replacing the darkness we are accustomed to. This seemingly subtle change would have profound effects on our sleep cycles, our psychology, and even our understanding of time itself. Humans might develop new patterns of rest and activity, adapting to the constant presence of light. The very fabric of our existence would be woven with the threads of two suns. Our myths, our stories, and our understanding of the universe would all be shaped by this duality. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore this fascinating hypothetical scenario. We will delve into the mysteries of binary star systems and imagine the possibilities of life under two suns. We'll delve into the science behind a binary sun system, examine its impact on Earth's climate and ecosystems, and ponder the remarkable adaptations that life, including humans, might undergo. The journey will take us through the realms of astronomy, biology, and even philosophy. Prepare to have your perspective on our place in the cosmos forever altered. The existence of two suns would challenge our understanding of the universe and our place within it, opening up new avenues of thought and exploration. One of the most immediate and visually stunning consequences of having two suns would be the transformation of our skies. The familiar blue expanse we know today would be replaced by a dynamic and ever-changing canvas, constantly shifting in color and intensity. Imagine a celestial dance of two suns, each casting its own unique glow, painting the heavens with a constantly shifting palette of colors. The interplay of light from these two sources would create a mesmerizing spectacle, with hues blending and separating in ways we've never seen before. Days would be longer and brighter, with two sources of sunlight illuminating the Earth. The intensity of daylight would vary depending on the positions of the suns, sometimes creating a dazzling brilliance, and at other times a softer, more diffused light. No longer would our familiar blue skies dominate. Instead, we could expect a vibrant tapestry of hues, with oranges, yellows, and reds intermingling in a breathtaking display. The sky would become a living painting, constantly evolving and offering new vistas with every passing hour. Sunrises and sunsets would become even more spectacular, with two suns dipping below the horizon, casting long, mesmerizing shadows across the landscape. The golden hour, that magical time of day beloved by photographers, would be extended, offering even more opportunities to capture the beauty of the world. But the presence of two suns wouldn't just affect the colors of our skies. It would also fundamentally alter the patterns of light and shadow. The interplay of light from two sources would create complex and fascinating shadow patterns, adding depth and dimension to our surroundings. Objects would cast two shadows, sometimes overlapping, sometimes diverging, creating a surreal and ever-changing visual landscape. This duality of shadows would add an element of mystery and intrigue to even the most mundane scenes. Imagine the artistic possibilities, the photographic opportunities, and the sheer beauty of a world bathed in the glow of two suns. Artists and photographers would find endless inspiration in the unique lighting conditions, capturing moments of unparalleled beauty and wonder. This celestial ballet wouldn't be without its challenges. The increased solar radiation from two suns could pose significant risks to life on Earth, requiring adaptations and innovations to ensure survival. The increased solar radiation could have significant implications for life on Earth. Plants and animals would need to develop new strategies to cope with the heightened levels of sunlight and heat. Plants and animals would need to adapt to the brighter, hotter conditions. This could lead to fascinating evolutionary changes, with species developing new traits and behaviors to thrive in the dual sun environment. The very structure of our eyes might evolve to better handle the increased luminosity. We could develop enhanced vision, capable of perceiving a broader spectrum of light and color, allowing us to fully appreciate the beauty of our transformed world. Yet, amidst these challenges, the beauty of a binary sun sky would be undeniable, a constant reminder of the wonders of our universe. The sight of two suns in the sky would be a daily spectacle, a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of the cosmos. Perhaps the most profound change brought about by a binary sun system would be the alteration of our day-night cycle. Depending on the configuration of the suns and their orbital paths, Earth might experience constant daylight, or at the very least, significantly shorter periods of darkness. Imagine a world without night, where the sun never truly sets. While this might sound appealing at first, the implications for life on Earth are significant. Our circadian rhythms, the natural sleep-wake cycles that govern our bodies, are deeply intertwined with the cycle of day and night. Constant daylight could disrupt these rhythms, leading to sleep disorders, mood swings, and other health problems. Beyond the physiological impacts, a world without night would have profound cultural and societal consequences. The concept of night is deeply ingrained in our art, literature, and mythology. It has shaped our understanding of time, our fears, and our dreams. A world perpetually bathed in sunlight would necessitate a fundamental shift in our perception of the world and our place in it. Despite the challenges, a world of eternal day might also offer unique opportunities. Imagine the possibilities for exploration, for scientific discovery, for round-the-clock productivity. Plants could photosynthesize continuously, potentially leading to increased agricultural yields. The boundaries between day and night, between work and rest, might blur, creating a society that operates on a very different rhythm. The introduction of a second sun would undoubtedly have profound effects on Earth's climate. This celestial addition would not just be a visual marvel, but a catalyst for dramatic changes in our environment. The most immediate and obvious consequence would be an increase in solar radiation, leading to higher temperatures across the globe. Cities already grappling with heat waves would find themselves in even more extreme conditions, pushing the limits of human endurance and infrastructure. The extent of this warming would depend on the size, luminosity, and distance of the second sun, but even a relatively small increase in solar energy could have significant impacts. The additional sunlight could alter weather patterns, making some regions unbearably hot, while others might experience unexpected shifts in climate. Imagine a world where deserts expand, ice caps melt at an accelerated rate, and sea levels rise, submerging coastal cities. The polar regions, which act as Earth's natural refrigerators, would be particularly vulnerable, leading to a cascade of environmental changes. The delicate balance of Earth's climate system could be thrown into disarray, leading to more extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and floods. These events would not only become more frequent, but also more intense, challenging our ability to adapt and survive. The very habitability of our planet could be at stake. Human societies would need to rethink their strategies for agriculture, water management, and urban planning to cope with these new realities. However, it's not all doom and gloom. The introduction of a second sun could also bring about positive changes, depending on its characteristics and the resulting climatic shifts. Depending on the specific configuration of the binary star system, Earth might find itself in a perpetual state of spring-like conditions. This could mean milder winters and more consistent weather patterns, creating an environment where life can flourish. Imagine a world with longer growing seasons, abundant vegetation, and a more temperate climate overall. Farmers could harvest multiple crops in a year, leading to increased food production and potentially ending hunger in many parts of the world. Life on Earth is remarkably adaptable, and it's possible that ecosystems would find ways to thrive in this new environment. Species that can adjust to the new conditions might flourish, leading to a burst of biodiversity. The presence of two suns could also lead to unique climatic phenomena. Weather patterns that we can't even imagine today might become commonplace, adding a new layer of complexity to our understanding of Earth's systems. Imagine double rainbows arcing across the sky, or the aurora borealis becoming a common sight, visible even during the day. These extraordinary sky phenomena would not only be beautiful, but also a constant reminder of the new celestial dynamics at play. While the challenges posed by a binary sun system are undeniable, the potential for a breathtakingly different and perhaps even more vibrant planet is equally compelling. The Earth, under the influence of two suns, could become a place of wonder and resilience, showcasing the incredible adaptability of life and the ever-changing nature of our world.